This video will be part 1 of 2. We'll cover the basics here and get more advanced next video. Today we'll be making a guessing game. The calculator picks a number from 1 to 10 and you try to guess it. Before we begin, here's the finished code for those who don't value learning and just want to pause and copy the code. Throughout the video, pertinent info will be shown in annotations like these. We'll be using the clear home, random integer, display, input, if, then, pause, stop, and end commands, which seems like a lot, but it's all pretty easy. First, as always, let's create a new program. Press the program button in the middle of your calculator, and then using the arrow keys, navigate to the new tab, where you should see this create new option. Press enter, and it'll bring you to this naming screen. Now the keys are automatically set to the alphabet, so use it to type in guessing. That'd be Guessing, right there. And then press enter. And there's our new command entering screen, cutting screen. Now I'll use the first command, clear home, which is found after pressing program, scrolling to the input-output section, and either pressing 8 or going down to the 8th option and pressing enter. And that'll appear on our coding screen. This command will be used to clear the home screen of any residual calculations before we run the program. Now press enter to make a new line and add our next command, random integer. We'll use it to get the random number from 1 to 10 that the calculator picks. To get it to it, press math, go all the way over to probability, and either press 5 or go to the 5th option. Now we'll need to add some values. The first value will be the lowest number the calculator can pick, which will be 1. Next, press the comma button above 7 and add the highest possible number, which will be 10. After that, close it with parentheses right here. Now we need to assign it to a variable for a number which we'll call n. Go to the store button above on, looks like this. Press it. Press alpha and the log button to get n. Now press enter and we'll use our next command, display, which is the easiest way to display text on the calculator. Go to program, input, output, go down to the 3rd option, just to get it there. Now for any text we want to appear, we need to surround it by quotes. To get them, press alpha and plus. Now we need to type out guess a number using the keyboard. G-U-E-S space A space N-U-M-B-E-R. Make sure it quotes. On our next line, in our next command, we put input. This is how we get a player's input for our program. Press program, go to inputs, outputs, and press enter. It's the first option. Let's start by adding a little text like before. For now, type out from 1 to 10. Alpha and F-R-O-M space. Make sure to cancel it. 1, 2, space, 10. Make sure to end with a space. And I think we'll add a colon, which is the period. Alphabetized. And then close it with the quotes. Now we need to add another comma and the letter G, which is over here under tangent. This variable will represent the player's guess. Then press enter and add an if statement, which is found under program and is the first option. This statement will check if the player's guess is the same as the calculator's number. To write this, type out n equals g. N, and the equal sign is found under second math is enter. And put in the G. That's all we need for this little section. The next line we'll need then, which is under program, is right below if. On the next line we'll need to use display again to congratulate the player with a great job. Whoops. Nope. G. Great job. And now we'll need to add 3 more commands, each taking up their own line. These commands will be pause, stop, and end. Pause stops the program from continuing until the player presses enter. Stop ends the program, and end closes off the then statement. It's kind of confusing, but it all works its way out. So to find pause, we'll need to go to control. It's the 8th option. Then stop is under control 2. It is down here, the F option. And then end, which is the 7th option. And lastly, we'll need to add a failure message. Using display, it says nope, it was space, and then what the actual number was. Press enter, add the display, and type out the following. Nope, space, it was. Make sure I end with the space and the quotation mark. And then press comma and N. So what this display command will do is show text followed by what the variable was representing. Now we can test the program. Press second mode, go to the program button, and press enter. And enter again. Now it says guess a number from 1 to 10. So 5. Nope, it was 7. If you want to run it again straight away, you can just press enter. And there's the new number. It's definitely not going to be 7 because it's always going to be different every time you load it. Let's see if we can win 7 and 4. Again. Oh, I haven't been fast. You got better. 5. Is it 6? No, it's not. Is it 2? Is it 4? Is it 6? Is it 7? No, it didn't work. It's 7. Here's 9. It was 5. 2, 4, 8, 5, 6, 5, 8, 7, 9, 6, 4, 6, 5. It was 5. I got it. It only took me like 25 tries, but we did it. Great job. In part 2, we'll make it so that the player has multiple guesses and has a sort of higher lower function to tell them if they're getting close. But with all that coming soon, I guess I'll see y'all next episode. Bye.